Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Back at the cul-de-sac. Gonna give that Flint steel another try this week because I was not satisfied with the results. And the tinder was being a pain and whatnot. So alright. So there's something I wanted to say too. Is that the Flint didn't fail, and neither did the steel. The tinder was being stubborn. That's all. You know, I had the char cloth in there, and I had it folded over, and I was blowing right on it, but it just wasn't going. Also, my buddy, through failure we succeed, made this for me, and because I'm a tool, I forgot to mention him. So sorry about that, brother. He sent this to me to try out. It's a really cool little file striker. So we're gonna give it another go. So I'm gonna get my char out, which I'm getting very low on. I gotta check see what the weather's gonna do this weekend. See if I can get out and get a fire. I got a whole bunch of firewood in the back of the truck, but no place to put it. And I need to clean the truck out because I need to start thinking about firewood for next winter. So yeah, let's get the I got process a bird nest here. I got some of this awesome tulip poplar. Of course, I say it's awesome, but it was giving me struggles last week. But it's still a good tinder. So let's get to it. All right, I think we're all set. I got the Dominator on standby, which we're not going to need, but still. Get out a piece of char here. I'm actually being kind of careful with how much char I use because I need to make more. Alright. Of course, I do fold the material over. Woohoo! There we go. I almost stick my face in it, but hey, who needs eyebrows anyway? Nice. There we go. Never give up. Flint steel successfully worked. Call it luck, call it perseverance, whatever. But we got her, and that's all that matters. So woohoo, woohoo. What's them in the moisture? It had just rained, and yesterday was super sunny, so it wasn't raining at all. So a little bit of moisture difference. So nice. It's very satisfying when things finally work. Okay, good morning one and all. So I want to do a belated birthday or happy birthday wishes to BC Jerb's wife Kimmers. What happened was I went out last Thursday, shot my fired up Friday, came home, edited it, you know, recorded it, edited, did a shout out, did everything, got it all set up, uploaded it and scheduled it. And then I went to the YouTube main page, and then I saw Jerb's video announcing her birthday, so I like missed it by like a couple hours. So apologies for that. Also, I don't think I wished Expeditionary Johnny a happy birthday, so it's belated as well. And then my buddy Anchor 440, his birthday was last Monday, so happy birthday to you, brother. And let's go ahead and draw the channel shout out for this week. It might seem a little dark in here because my my center light here is not working. I don't know why. I just changed the bulb, but it doesn't work. So another thing to add to my list of things to do. Alright, this week's channel shout out goes to, oh cool, ALI CARROLL. Her sticker is where's her sticker? Oh, yeah, I just saw it. It's right here. Next to BC Jerb's in MTO Mid Tennessee Outdoors. His sticker again. Mike Kratz MC, or Mark Kratz MC. James G Outdoors. Hope you're okay, brother. I haven't seen a video from you in a while. Michael Bruner, another ALI CARROLL sticker, and then another one. She has 3. Redneck Renegade, plain old Chuck. So, very cool. Alright, so once again, keep forgetting to turn the light off. There we go. So once again, I got to throw a big thanks and props to my brother. Through failure, we succeed. Great dude with a great channel. I'll post it in the description along with this week's channel shout out, which I haven't filmed yet or drawn. DHL truck coming. So anyway, yeah. So again, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women, from recruits to our veterans. Let's not forget 22 a day, 22 veterans and active service members take their lives. That's 3,080 a year. It should be 0. So I will link the Mission 22 along with the suicide prevention hotline down below. And even if you're not a veteran and you're feeling depressed, maybe give the call number or give the number of calls and try to reach out and get some help. And as always, I do thank you for watching. Have a fantastic weekend. May fortune shine upon you all, and we'll catch you next week.